For those who live by the arc, who know that precision isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. This is EVO 23-phase, a new chapter in welding experience, built to empower, engineered with passion. For MIG, dual microprocessor control makes every arc count. Your arc starts sharper, transfers smoother, and holds steady through every pass. And with dash arc and high-frequency TIG, arc striking feels effortless, consistent, and clean from the first ignition. From welding to cutting, EVO 23-phase covers every need. Modular designs, compact options, and multi-process capability, all in one range. And with a full suite of remote controls, you stay in command, no matter the job site. Welding doesn't wait. The EVO 23-phase keeps going, with sealed airflow and thermally optimized internal architecture, built for continuous performance in demanding environments. Each EVO 23-phase machine has proven its reliability through over 200 tests in Jasic's integral test labs, so you can count on it to perform, even when the pressure's on. Setup is simple. Operation is smooth, from the all-new wire feed mechanism to the ClearVision interface. And LED lit compartments, the wire feeder was built with you in mind. And with every detail designed for movement, organization, and grab-and-go efficiency. It fits your flow, wherever the work takes you. This is more than a machine. It's control you can feel, clarity where it counts, confidence in every weld.